Hello everyone, this is the class of economics, class 10, chapter number 1, that is development. So firstly, if you are not subscribed the channel of Saint Xavier, so please subscribe it now, otherwise you are not getting the rest of the notifications. Chapter name is development. We should start with the development. Development meaning is, in simple words, we have say the improvement or the progress. Development means it is an idea of progress. Always we have to think about the progress and the improvement. So we are the person who are having desire to be develop yourself, to be develop the society, to be develop the community, to be develop the world. Okay, so in this sense some topics are given here, development for the different persons. So there are some examples given. Landless rural laborer means those are having landless laborers, means those are not having lands. For them improvement is purchasing a land. For them only their students, their child go to the schools and provide education to their child. Prosperous farmers having higher support or the higher price from their crop. And a girl from rich urban family, she wanted to the freedom from her brother and from her family. She wanted to take her decision by own. These are the different of different person development, different. And next thing, so different persons can be different development goals, it is a fact, because all are having different desires. So they have to develop yourself among the different field. So what the question arises, do all these persons have the same notion of development or progress? No, obviously no, because different persons having different desires having different development goals. So different persons having different area development. So it is a factor of, means different persons having different goal. That's why there is not a same notion of development or the progress. Income and their other goals. So when we talk about income and other goals, so for us only, if we are earning 5,000 rupees of salary, so our development is increment in the salary. So it should be 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. So it is a development for our sides. And some type of equality, like equality or the treatment freedom, or the freedom in security, respects to other, these are also known as the development factors for the different criteria. We are seeing recently to remove the discrimination is also a big factor of development. In some cases we have seen more important than the income, because material goods are not that you need to live, means material goods में आप जी नहीं सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको कोई भी किसी भी चीज़ का आपको डेवलपमेंट चाहिए, सो यू हैव टू go for their progress. Okay, आपको you have to work for that one development also. Next thing is money or the material factor. We can buy it. money से तो हम कुछ भी खरीद सकते हैं. if we are having a purchasing power, so we have to fulfill our all desires. Okay, so but equality of our life depends on the non material things. Nowadays our lives totally depend on non material things. There are many other things are not easily measured, but they are there, means a lot of our life. For example, when we see many things are not applicable on that sense. For example, we got the salary of 10,000 in your city, but the development you wanted in the salary, but you got the new job in the different country for the 50,000 or more than 50,000. So it is a development for this part only, but you have to go for away from your family to other country. It is not a type of development, means all development not the better thing. Similarly हम कह सकते हैं development mix of goal. There is a mix of goal because development totally based on the different goals. So for example, one here given, one woman engaged a paid work in dignity of a household also, and society increase. So means development is good, but for a same person, same kind of work, it is not possible. So we have to compare the different countries or different states. How we compare in the development sense? There is a criteria of given comparison, like we have to compare in the health rate, we have to compare in the IMFR, means IMF means infant mortality rate, and next thing per capita income, we have to see the GDP. These are the methods how we have to comparison of different countries with the different countries. These are the records which is very helpful to comparison of the countries or states. For comparing of other countries, I have told you these are the functions given. Next thing is comparison of different countries or state in the basic attributes. So you have to see the income level or the health rate of human needs and all. Next thing is comparison between two countries. It is a total income based or totally income based, likely to the different population based also. In world development record, according to that one, we have to give the criteria of country per capita income. I have already told you. According to that, 2004, our country, one country, richer country having 4,53,000 per annum, मीन्स इनकम ऑफ पर एनम, पूरे साल की इनकम उनकी 4,53,000 पर कैपिटा इनकम थी. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वन, द लोअर केस में देखें तो सो लोअर इनकम ऑफ द कंट्री इज 37, बिलो 37,000 और लेस भी कह सकते हैं पर कैपिटा इनकम. फिर अकॉर्डिंग टू द 2004 रिकॉर्ड वी हैव टू से इंडिया हैविंग 28,000 पर एनम रिकॉर्ड, मीन्स एक पर्सन के हिसाब से पूरे एक साल में पर कैपिटा इनकम हमारी बन रही थी 28,000, जो हमारी अंडर लो इनकम आती है. द रिच कंट्री जनरली कॉल्ड द डेवलप्ड कंट्री एंड दोज आर not rich country, they are known as working in the sense of developing, so they have to developing country like India. Day by day we have to go for the development or the improvement, that's why we are like a developing country. How to find the income of the country? We have to find the income of the country with the help of average income. हम average income calculate करके अपनी country की income को जान सकते हैं. Average income is also known as per capita income. Per capita income हम इसको कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव टू सी द एग्जाम्पल, देयर इज टू पर्सन ए एंड बी. In first year 5 persons of each sector, means two countries are given, A country and the B country. A country having 5 members and B country having also 5 members. So we have to solve it out the average. How to calculate the average? Number of years, sum of the means income, sum of the income divided by number of persons. So you have to also calculate the average income with the help of all income, means sum of income divided by the population is known as per capita income. Next is income and the other criterion. इनकम के अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम अदर क्राइटेरिया के बेसिस पे भी हम डेवलपमेंट को चेक कर सकते हैं. फॉर द पर कैपिटा इनकम इफ वी सी 2002 and 2003 there are 3 states given, Punjab, Kerala and Bihar. According to that only 26,000 per capita income according to 2003, 2 or 3 records, 22,800 of Kerala record, of Bihar having 5,700 only. So we have to say according to income only or the other factors we have to calculate for the development of the country. Next thing is IMR परसेंटेज, मीन्स इन्फेंट मॉर्टेलिटी रेट 1000 पर चाइल्ड पे देखा जाता है एक साल में कितने बच्चों के 1 ईयर बिलो डेथ हो गई. नेक्स्ट वन लिटरेसी रेट, हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ मेनी चाइल्ड आर लिटरेट. ओके. नेट अटेंडेंस रेशियो मीन्स 1 to 5 years ऑफ चाइल्ड, 1 से 5 साल तक, 1 से 5 साल तक कितना बच्चा स्कूल में जाता है. So in this record we have to say Punjab, Kerala and Bihar, there are 3 sections are given. Infant mortality rate are this one, literacy rate this one, and this one are the net attendance rate. According to that also we have to calculate the development activity. Next one is public activity. Public activity is totally based on the purchasing power of the, means public activity which is done by the person, like purchasing of goods and services, it is totally based on the purchasing power of the money. purchasing power of the person, means money purchasing power. So there is a need to live well, means money is a need. But there is a all other examples are pollution free environment is also a development sector. Unadulterated medicines, it is also a development. Protection from infection diseases like now corona diseases also, this is also a development. And one example is also given, Kerala has a low infant mortality rate and adequate provision to basic health and education facility. But infant mortality rate is less in Kerala, but the education ratio, means the educated person is more over. Next one is, like this way we have to calculate health rate, nutrition rate, and the body mass index calculated by the persons, or the weight in the meters and height, kilometers and all. Divide the weight of the square and height qualities. These are the some figures also given, like BMI. We have to calculate the BMI, means we have to calculate the overweight persons. Okay, these are the some criterion for the growing children. And next thing, we have to calculate the development sector. Like this way we have to calculate the human development index. Human development index, it is published by the United Nations Development Program. It is known as this report is known as human development index, where we find out the health status, education status, per capita income, all the records of the countries, where we have to compare the different countries with the different countries. Or here also we have to take the relevant data regarding the India also and the neighboring countries. This is the record of 2006 given here. See here, Sri Lanka, India, Myanmar, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh. Some records are given here. Life expectancy at birth, means birth से कितने साल तक expected है कि वो person survive करेगा. Next one, literacy rate for education. Next one, gross enrollment ratio, आप कितना ग्रॉस एनरोलमेंट हो रहा है. वर्ल्ड HDI रैंक, मीन्स वर्ल्ड में ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स में किस कंट्री की क्या रैंक है. सो इंडिया हैविंग 126 रैंक अकॉर्डिंग टू 2006 रिकॉर्ड. अ स्मॉल कंट्री ऑफ नेबरहुड कहा जाए, जैसे कि श्रीलंका नेबरहुड ऑफ इंडिया इन एवरी रेस्पेक्ट. नेपाल इज हाफ ऑफ द पर कैपिटा इनकम ऑफ इंडिया, मीन्स नेपाल की पर कैपिटा इनकम इंडिया की हाफ है. देन next thing, life expectancy and literacy rate also. Sustainability of development. Sustainable means the stability, means stability of the development. Development important, but how many days development survive, it is also most important. Means stability honi chahiye. Means we have to think about the dam. For example, there is a village or area near the river and all. So we have to, one country make the dam, but dam is a development for the state or for the country. But because of dam, the village area persons have to go from that area, means they have to leave that area because of dam only. So this is not the development for the village people. So that is a means of development, means एक का development it is not beneficial for the others. अगर हम एक का development देख रहे हैं तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो दूसरे person का भी development हो. Clear? Like this way we have to see the non-renewable resources cannot be accomplished like fixed stock, etc. So thank you for listening me. This was chapter. Thank you. See the next one.